Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Now before I get started, huge shout out to Supcase for giving me the opportunity to be able to review and share their products with all of you here on my Project 13. As always, I will be leaving a link down below in the description area, and when you hit that link, it'll send you right on over to Amazon, and this is what you will see. Amazon's Choice Supcase Unicorn Beetle Style Series Case designed for the OnePlus 7 Pro Premium Hybrid Protective Clear Case, $12.99. Please read all the information. But I'm going to tell you something, man. Supcase makes some great protection. Great looking cases. But again, let me go back to the great protection part. You spend a lot of money. You invest a lot of money in a device like the OnePlus 7 Pro. Please protect your investment. Let's go ahead and get into this little box here. Very simple, but yet very nice presentation from Supcase. Unicorn Beetle, drop tested. On the back, we do have a little bit of information back there. Perfect, gripping, scratch resistant, shock resistant, dual layer design, accurate cutouts. So let's open this up, take out the star of the show, put that to the side. We do have some film here that we need to remove on the inside. There we go. Very nice TPU material all around this case. Hard polycarbonate plastic material, see-through, so you can see the sexiness of either your mirror gray, your almond, or your Nebula Blue OP7 Pro. Very nice. I'm going to go ahead and put my OP7 Pro inside this case. Give it a little wipe down. Wow, that just looks beautiful. Very solid. Feels really nice and grippy in hand. Just a good looking bold case. Yeah, you can be sexy and bold at the same time. Cut out here for the cameras. There's actually a piece of film back here. Didn't realize that. I went to actually feel the depth of that cutout and realized we have some film back here. And here I was wiping that area down. Well, now it just got even better. Wow, plenty of depth surrounding those three cameras and flash. Got the OnePlus logo there, OnePlus down there, and brand name Supcase right there. Let me get a close-up on that. There we go. Very nice. Beautiful. Wow. Very nice. Power button is rich. Totally digging that. Your alert slider is not going to be covered up, so you can easily access that area. Very nice. Everything working great. On the other side, we have the volume rocker up, down with the symbols plus and minus. At the bottom, cut out there for your speaker grill, mic, USB Type-C charging port, and your SIM tray. Up top, your cutout there for the pop-up camera and your other mic. Let's go ahead and test out that pop-up camera area really quick. All right, here we go. Everything working great. Everything looking good with that cutout and the pop-up camera. We got to test one more area out though. I'm going to take a selfie of myself. I want to make sure that the lip of that cutout is not going to get in the way of the camera when taking a selfie or shooting video utilizing the front-facing cam. So we'll do that now. Check out the pic. No issues at all with this picture anywhere. But down here is where that cutout is, and there's no issues No shadowing, no distortion to the picture whatsoever. Everything working great with that cutout there in the pop-up camera of my OP7 Pro. Very, very nice. Wanted to test out my third-party USB Type-C cable. Make sure that cutout is not going to have any issues with my cables. Bam! Very nice. And I got one more that's a little bit thicker. Actually a lot thicker. And no issues there whatsoever either. Alright. Lots of depth going on there with the cutout surrounding the cameras and flash. When you're setting down on most surfaces, shall not have any issues damaging that area. And let's get a close-up on the lip at the top and bottom. Very nice. Again, to protect that beautiful display when setting down on most surfaces as well. So there you go. Any questions? Please leave that down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to get to all of those questions. At the end of the day, it's about protecting what you work so hard for. Thanks for watching, everyone. Again, huge shout out to Supcase. Peace. God bless.